We have a surprise for you. It's from Grandpa Jerry. He sent it all.
Thomas.
He sent it all the way from Nevada.
Here, Thomas.
You think it's Thomas?
Yeah, Thomas present.
Let's see.
Yeah, this is Thomas present.
You think?
Oh, to me. A book.
You think?
What kind of book?
A book.
I would try the other end if I were you, Max.
A
Max.
book. A book. Won't open.
Stop that, Seth.
Won't open. Won't open. Won't open.
It is open, Max.
The book. This is the
Max,
book.
it already is open, my bro.
Won't open.
It's opened.
Oh yeah.
What is it, Maxie?
Whoa.
What is it?
Spaceship.
Yeah, no.
Airplane.
Let me see.
Take it out. Open it up.